Take a ride in the 2021 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, power passenger seat, overhead console, cloth seat trim. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.